I'm getting ready to make peach turnover, and I have two of these. The other one's over on the other side of the counter thawing out still. And then I have some nice peaches, and I have them scored on top. I'm going to drop them into boiling water and be able to peel them easier. And I want, I need 4 cups of, and I need a whole package of the phyllo dough. My water's boiling. I'm going to take my peaches and put them in the boiling water for a couple of minutes so that the skins will come off of them easily. It won't take much to get the skins off. So just a couple minutes. My peaches are ready to take out. I'm going to turn off my stove. Be careful around this, it's very hot. I'm just going to kind of let them cool, and then you'll peel them. Okay, I have my 4 cups of peaches, skinned and diced, slight little chopped it up. And I had a little bit extra, and I put it in a bowl and put it in the refrigerator because I'll make waffles tomorrow, and I'll make a syrup out of it real quick. So there's 4 cups. Then I have a half of a cup of organic sugar, a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I have 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of arrowroot. I always mix it separately instead of putting it in, otherwise sometimes your arrowroot will clump up. So just mix that up and then pour it in. And then a tablespoon of margarine. And I'm going to take this and cook it over the stove until it gets thickened. So I just turned on the heat, and it'll start cooking. I'm just going to let it thicken and let the peaches cook down a little bit. My mixture is thickened, and I turned off the heat, and I'm just going to let it cool. Here I have my phyllo dough laying out, and quickly I'm going to take some margarine, and I want to coat my phyllo dough. The rest of the phyllo dough, I have a wet paper towel over it. I am going to make my turnovers. I think I have 3 sheets here. And some of it falls off. It's okay. Just get this nice and covered. All the edges. Not too greasy though. Fold it in half. And then you want to give it another coat. And then fold it in half. And I'm just going to take a little bit of filling, and I'm going to bring it up. It's okay, some of it comes out. Just kind of push it together, and then I'm going to just fold it over like this, and I'm going to tuck this in here like this, and then I'll put it on my cookie sheet. And I will bake these at 400 for 20 to 25 minutes, and I'm going to continue making the rest of them. You've got to work very carefully, they fall apart. Just get them nice and coated, not too drippy. I just took my turnovers out. They turned out great. I can't wait till they eat them tonight. They'll be excited when they come home. So there's my quick turnovers. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye. Try them. They're easy. And don't forget to sprinkle them with some powdered sugar.